Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard business maths state board chapter 6, exercise 6.1, probability. What is probability? Probability is a maybe condition, maybe form. Either success or failure, maybe cases. Either you can get a success or you can get a failure. We already studied in 10th standard, 11th standard. Now we are going to see about the random variable. What is the random variable? A variable which can assume finite number of possible values. A random variable which can assume finite number of possible values or infinite sequence of countable real numbers is called discrete random variable. Is called discrete random variable. Once again I repeat, a variable which can assume finite number of possible values or any infinite sequence of countable real numbers is called discrete random variable. Before we enter into the sum, we should know some formulas. Probability mass function, probability density function, discrete distribution function. See here, probability mass function. Probability mass function. What is probability mass function? P dot m dot f. Probability mass function can represent it as P of x, capital X, P of x, P of x equal to P of x equal to P of x equal to xi, P of x equal to xi, where P of xi is greater than or equal to 0. P of xi is greater than or equal to 0 for all I. Then the probability mass function summation of series sigma I equal to 1 to infinity. Sigma I equal to 1 to infinity. P of xi value is equal to 1. What is the probability value? That probability value is nothing but 1. Next, discrete distribution function. Discrete distribution function. What is discrete distribution function? F of x. It mentions as what? F of x. Capital F of x equal to P of x less than or equal to x is called cumulative distribution function. Is called cumulative distribution function. See, f of x equal to F of x equal to sigma xi less than or equal to x, sigma xi less than or equal to x, P of xi. Next, continuous random variable. Probability density function. Continuous random variable is what? Probability density function. Continuous random variable is nothing but what? Probability density function. Probability distribution function is different. Probability density function is different. Probability mass function means we can use the summation of series. Probability density function means we can use the integrate. See, f of x greater than or equal to 0 for all x. F of x greater than or equal to 0 for all x. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity. F of x dx equal to 1. This is probability density function. In probability mass function, sigma I equal to 1 to infinity, P of xi equal to 1. In probability density, you can see the sum. If it is a mass function or density function. If it is a mass function, sigma I equal to 1 to infinity p of xi equal to 1. If it is a density function, minus infinity to plus infinity, f of x dx equal to 1. See, now you are going to see the continuous distribution function. We already seen probability mass function, probability density function, probability function. See here, we are going to see the continuous distribution function. Continuous distribution function. Continuous distribution function. What is the formula for continuous distribution function? f of x equal to integral minus infinity to x, integral minus infinity to x, f of t dt, integral minus infinity to x, f of t dt. The value is minus infinity less than x less than infinity. The value is minus infinity less than x less than infinity. Now we are going to see about the probability of the cumulative function. Properties of the cumulative function. The cumulative properties of the cumulative function. Cumulative function. If 0 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 1, 0 less than or equal to f of x, the values between 0 to 1, this minus infinity less than x less than infinity, minus infinity less than x less than infinity. See here, f of minus infinity. What is the value of f of minus infinity? 0. F of minus infinity equal to 0 and f of infinity equal to 1. F of minus infinity equal to 0 and f of infinity equal to 1 in the properties of the cumulative function. Suppose f dash of x, should find out the f of x. F of x means f dash of x, it's nothing but what? D into differentiation of d by dx of f of x, d by dx of f of x. P of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. You should find out the cumulative function. What we have to do? F of b minus f of a. F of b minus f of a. F of b minus f of a. See the first sum. Construct the cumulative distribution function. Capital S x is given 0, 1, 2, 3. P of x equal to x. The value is given as 0.3, 0.2 and 2 is 0.4 and 3 is 0.1. See what is the formula? Capital F of x equal to P of x less than or equal to x. So first you can write f of 0. F of 0 equal to P of x less than or equal to 0. What is the value of x less than or equal to 0? You are getting a value equal to 0 is P of 0. The value is 0.3. The value is 0.3. Next, f of 1. F of 1. F of 1 equal to P of x less than or equal to P of x less than or equal to 1. X less than or equal to 1. 0 and 1 you can take the value. So you can take it as P of 0 plus P of 1. P of 0 plus P of 1. So the value is 0.3 plus 0.2. It gives 0.5. It gives 0.5. Next, what is the next one? F of 2. F of 2. What is the next one? F of 2. F of 2 equal to. F of 2 equal to, the same way we can proceed the sum. P of x less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2. It gives, see, less than or equal to 2 means you can take the value 0, 1 and 2. So P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2. What is the value of x? See here, 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.4. So the value is what? 0.9. The value is 0.9. Now we move on to f of 3. F of 3 equal to f of 3 equal to p of x less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3 means p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. So you can take all the values. What is the value? 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.4 plus 0.1. You can add all the values. You are getting the value 1. Therefore, f of 3 value is 1. Now you can write. Now you can write the tabular column x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. X equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. P of x less than or equal to x equal to, what is the value of 0? Cumulative function value of 0. 0.3. What is the value of 1? 0.5. What is the value of 2? 0.9. What is the value of 3? 1. What is the value of 3? 1. See the second sum. Let x be a discrete random variable. Discrete random variable with the following probability mass function they have given. See, probability mass function they have given. You should find out the cumulative distribution function. You should find out the CDF function. That is cumulative distribution function. So how you should find out? Capital F of x equal to, capital F of x equal to P of x less than or equal to x. P of x less than or equal to x. See what is the value of f of 3. See here f of 3. You can take the value f of 3. F of 3 equal to, f of 3 equal to P of x less than or equal to 3. P of x less than or equal to 3. It gives P of 3. What is the value of P of 3? P of 3 value is 0.3. P of 3 value is 0.3. Next you should find out f of 5. F of 5 equal to, f of 5 equal to P of x less than or equal to 5. P of x less than or equal to 5. So you can add these two. That is P of 3 plus P of 5. P of 3 plus P of 5. So what is the value for that? 0.3 plus 0.2. It gives 0.5. It gives 0.5. Now we are going to see about f of 8. F of next value is what? F of 8. It's nothing but P of x less than or equal to 8. Now you can cumulate all the values. What are the values? See, P of 3. P of 3 plus P of 3 plus P of 5 plus P of 8. P of 3 value is 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.3. So the value is what? 0.8. The value is 0.8. F of 10. Now we move on to f of 10 equal to P of x less than or equal to 10. What are the cumulative values? See here. P of 3 plus P of 5 plus P of 8 plus P of 10 plus P of 10. So it gives 0.3 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.2. The value is equal to 1. F of 10, the value is equal to 1. You can draw it in a tabular column. See here, x, capital X, capital X, then f of x, capital X, then f of x. So what is the value of x? 3, 5, 8 and 10. 3, 5, 8, 10. What are the values you are getting for f of x? F of x value 3 is 0.3, 5 is 0.5 and 8 is 0.8 and 10 is 1. 10 value is 1. Now we have to write capital F of x value. F of x. Capital F of x equal to. Capital F of x equal to 0 for x less than or equal to 3. Next, what is the value you are getting for 3? 0.3. So 0.3 for 3 less than or equal to x less than 5, because 3 you are getting the value 0.3. So you can put a equal to sign in 3. What is the next value? You can add these two. 0.3, 0.2, 0.5. So 0.5 for 5 less than or equal to x less than, what is the next value? 8. Next, what is the next value? You can add these three. 0.8. 0.8 for 8 less than or equal to x less than 10. You can write the equal to symbol. Only you got the answer for that cumulative value. See, what is the last value? 1 for x. 1 for x greater than or equal to 10. 1 for x greater than or equal to 10. Now we are going to plot the values. See, x-axis, y-axis, origin. X-axis, y-axis, origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Here you are getting the value 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1. 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1. See, here you can take it as here x equal to x. Capital X equal to x. This one you are going to take f of x. What is the value of 3? The value of 3 is 0.3. The value of 3 is 0.3. The value of 3 is 0.3. What is the value of 5? 5 equal to 0.5. 5 equal to 0.5. 5 equal to 0.5. Next, what is the value of 8? 8 equal to 0.8. 8 equal to 0.8 and 10 equal to 1 and 10 equal to 1. See, 3 to 5, then 5 to 8, then 8 to 10. 3 to 5, 5 to 8 and 8 to 10 is a cumulative distribution function. See here the discrete random variable x, p of x equal to x, kx, x equal to 2, 4, 6 and x equal to x minus 2, x equal to 8 and 0 otherwise. Where k is a constant, you show that k equal to 1 by 18. First you can frame that table. Capital X. Capital X. What are the values for capital X? 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Here P of x equal to x. P of x equal to x. See here, when it is 2, you can take this value. 2, k into x. K into 2, it's nothing but what? 2k. K into 2. 2k, because x value is 2. When it is 4, 4k. 6, 6k. Now you come to x equal to 8. X equal to 8, k into 8 minus 2. What is the value? 6k. K into 8 minus 2 equal to 6k. Is it clear? X equal to 2, 2k. X equal to 4, 4k. X equal to 6, 6k. When you come to x equal to 8, you can choose this value because here only x equal to 8 value is there. So x equal to 8, you can substitute the value of x equal to 8. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So it becomes 6k. You know very well that probability mass function is, since p of x is probability mass function, sigma p of x equal to 1. Sigma p of x equal to 1. You can add all the values, summation of the series, that is 2k plus 4k plus 6k plus 6k equal to 1. So add 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18k. 18k equal to 1. What is the value of k? K equal to 1 by 18. Hence the proof. K equal to 18. Hence the proof. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.